Hello, hi-fi people. A very good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone across the globe. What do we have here today? It's called the DBX 100. 100 is mentioned behind this small box. At the front you can see DBX, boombox, subharmonic, synthesizer, a mouthful. What does this bad boy do? Let me just tell you when it started, when this started in particular. 1976, DBX. The company started manufacturing this device. It was very popular between 1976 and 1978. And it's a small box, but it weighs 2.5 kilograms, so there are some heavy components inside. It's connected to the mains right now, but the way it works is that unless and until music is not going through it, that light is not going to power up. So I'll play some instrumental music in the background just to show you how it's powered up, and I'll also demonstrate what these two knobs do basically. There you go, music comes on, so you get the light glowing. It was made at a time when there was no digital format. This was not the CD, digital audio tape, DAB radios, CDs, streamers. This was not the MP3, the 01 coding time. This was analog time, pure analog time. Records and tape. Tape on compact cassette, tape on open reel. This is the only format that was available in these times. And DBX made this device, reason being, when records were made, I don't know how they made today. We know the vinyl records are back. How are they made? I have no idea. But what I do know is that back in the day when records were made, the recording engineers, they deliberately, I would say, reduced a portion of the low frequency. In any music, the lowest a record could be manufactured was between 50 to 100 hertz octave. And this is how records were made. They had to sort of manufacture the record, and those grooves, they were just in the way. They had to limit the depth of the groove, the excursion of the groove, and in that process, deliberately, there was a reduction in low frequency. So DBX 100 comes into play, and it sort of compensates for that lost portion of low frequency audio. And it goes down to 1 octave lower. Instead of 50 to 100 hertz, this box allows you to sort of balance out low frequencies between 25 to 50 hertz. So there was more bass notes coming through this device. It basically recreates that low frequency, and it mixes it into the signal path as a new signal, letting you sort of hear heightened, accurate bass, can I say? And it really makes you feel those bass notes when you're playing music through this. What I'll do is, let me tweak this now. You can hear some deeper sound. There's a bypass switch. without. Bass kicks in with, without. So keep it here. Ooh, wow. Okay. So there are two knobs on it. That's all you have to it. But these two knobs are basically bringing in that solidness, the three-dimensionality, I would say, that you can hear in a live performance. And it's hooked up as a standard tape in, record out, tape loop system, which is on all audio equipment of that time. Behind your amp, receiver, integrated amp, you have these tape loop options. This goes into it, and it's then a part of your signal chain. The two knobs, one is basically a sub-harmonic level. What does it do? It sort of sets, it lets you set how much recreated low frequency do you want. The knob on the left is the low frequency boost, and this sort of lets you set a smooth blend between the low frequency boost and the synthesized level that you have set. That's why both knobs need some tweaking. And as you regulate them, you know when to stop by the ear. This is all about listening to music and stopping by the ear. Disabled, bypassed, engaged. So I don't know how you're listening to it. It can't demonstrate a proper audio feed, but I can see day and night difference. If you want to really intensify a listening experience, no matter what music you're playing, if you like rock, jazz, disco, and you have a high power amplifier in your system, this DBX 100 is really capable of creating that new dimension and sort of what engulfs you in the physicality of music. I don't know if I've expressed what this box does, but you're all welcome to comment and tell me more about it if there's anything I haven't covered. Just before I sign out, without, with, let the music start and you'll sort of see what I'm trying to explain. Without, with. Hope you liked this one, and do comment, do share anything I haven't covered on this. I'd like to know everything about it. What I know about it, I've shared with you in this video, and it's all about knowledge sharing that we're doing here. Thank you very much, and see you on the next one. Vinyl is final. Bye for now.